Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 3.3, Problem 8. This is Section 3.3, Problem 8. It says compute an exact answer for the problem shown. And we have 141.06 plus 8.2. Now the way it's written, we're really not ready to add the numbers yet because the decimals don't line up. It's critically important that you line up the decimals. I actually don't want to add the 6 plus the 2. The decimals need to line up. So let me rewrite the problem as 141.06 plus 8.2, same numbers, but notice the decimals now are vertically in line with each other. So the 8.2 in the bottom, if you want to make everything line up, you can write it as 8.20 if you like, and now everything has the same number placed after the decimal. As long as you line it up, that's what's important. So now I'll do 6 plus 0 is 6, 0 plus 2 is 2. That decimal that's lined up comes straight down. It stays lined up into the answer. 1 plus 8 is 9. 4 plus nothing underneath it is 4. And also 1 plus nothing underneath it is 1. So the final answer is 149.26.